Hey guys, it's Katie at scrappinkaty.ctmh.com, and I thought I would do a walkthrough of the June 2020 layout workshop featuring the Stitched Together line from Close to My Heart. So here is a look at layout 1. You can see it's bright and cheerful. There are some paint splatters inked up that will be an add-on to the kit, as well as some of those flowers are adhered to the page with 3D foam tape. Again, you can use what's in your stash, or I will leave a link to some foam tape in my store. Here is a look at the second layout. Now, those butterflies, that overlay is cut from the Cricut using the Artiste Cricut collection from Close to My Heart. And then you can see some more of that stamped image on there, as well as some wooden buttons. So for layout 3, it's pretty basic. There are some extra stickers on the Stitched Together sticker sheet that you definitely could put on once you start adding your photos. And then for layout 4, now there are two options for layout 4. Here is the one if you do an online order and I email you the cutting guides and the links to the cutting video and the process video for putting them together. If you are local, or if you order the pre-cut kit that I will ship out to you, then here is the layout 4 you'll get. Very similar. The main thing is the layout base is actually another piece of pattern paper instead of the sweet leaf cardstock. As you can see, still so cute. And you can see how I kind of dressed up these layouts using my thread from my stash, and you definitely could do that as well. So now let's look at the add-on, which is the stamp set, A Million Little Things. It retails for $18.95, and you can see that I use the paint splatters as one of the sentiments. Now, included in the basic kit, you will get a full package of the wooden buttons, and those are super adorable and can be used for tons of other projects as well. So let me bring in the rest of the layouts and kind of show you the Cricut cuts. Now, if you are an online orderer, you will get a link to the design space file. If you are local or ordering the pre-cut kit, all these Cricut cuts will be included in the pre-cut pieces. So I will leave the link down below for the purchase options. Thanks.